So today we learn the abstraction in Java. What is the abstraction? Abstraction in Java is basically the hiding the implementation details. The any complexity of the implementation details, that one will be hide, and exposing only the essential functionalities. That one is known as the abstraction in Java. What is this? That is the hiding the implementation details and exposing the essential functionalities. What is the example? That example of this abstraction in Java is the abstract class and the interface. Abstract class and interface, these two are the example of the data abstraction in Java. Clear? This one is one more properties of the OOPS. So today we learn the abstract class. What is the abstract class? So this one is the today's topic of the discussion. Okay. So now what is the abstract class? So abstract is basically the keyword when you declare any class. Maybe that one is the class test, and before that declaration if you use the keyword abstract, this one is a small letter, abstract class test. So if you declare any class like this one is known as the abstract class. So what is the important point or key point of the abstract class? Within the abstract class you can declare the abstract method and non-abstract method, both you can declare. That one is the abstract method and non-abstract method. These two types of method you can declare within the abstract class. So this is the first point. And second point, that if you declared any class as an abstract, you can't declare the object of the abstract class. Is not possible. Object of the abstract class. So the next point is that you can't declare any object of the abstract class. Clear? So if you what will be the problem if you can't declare any object of the abstract class? So how you can access that your abstract method and non-abstract method? So that's why the next point is that always when you declare an abstract class, you have to declare the interface. That one you have to use the subclass. Clear? So using the subclass you can access your members of the abstract class. So first point is that within the abstract class you can declare the abstract method. So first point that when you declare any class, that one you have to use the keyword of the abstract, then that class will be the abstract class. And that second point, that within the abstract class you can declare the abstract method and non-abstract method, both you can declare. That one is your option. You can use that abstract method or non-abstract method, or both, anyone you can use it. And third point, that when you declare any class as an abstract, you have to declare the subclass, because that within the subclass you can overriding your abstract method, and you can access any methods of the abstract class with the help of the subclass object. Why? Because that abstract class you can't declare any object. So that's why always you have to declare the subclass, and with the help of the subclass object you can access the members of the abstract class. Clear? So you can't declare the object of the abstract class, is not possible. So this one is the key point of the abstract class. Now what is the abstract method? Abstract method means only the signature of the method. You can't declare the body of the method. Like this, if your any method like this, maybe void disp. So this one is the abstract method if you don't have any body. And if your method is like this, maybe display, so maybe you don't declare any method statement within the display within the method, and you use these two braces, that one is also a non-abstract method. This is not that abstract method. Whatever, if you write the statement within the method or not, but if you use these two braces, means that one is the non-abstract method. Abstract method means you only use the signature and put the semicolon. That one is known as the abstract method. This one is known as the abstract method, and this one is the example of the non-abstract method. and if you want to write the body also, that one is also the normal, that one is also the non-abstract method, maybe void print one. If you declare like this sopln hello world, this one is also the non-abstract method. Clear? So this one is only the abstract method, and this one is also the non-abstract method without any statement. But if you use the two brace, that one is also the non-abstract method, and if you write the statement within the method, that one is normal. This one is also the non-abstract method. So clear what is the abstract method and non-abstract method. Now you see this one is the abstract method, which one within this method we don't have any body, so you have to override this abstract method. So that's why we need to declare one subclass. Now you see this one, here I declared one class. So here I declared one class, that is a class child test, that one is from the extent test. Clear? And here I use this void disp, which one is the abstract method, that one I override within the child class. Now sopln override in the child class. So this one is known as the abstract method, and this abstract method I override within the child class. Now this one is the final program. That one is that abstract class test. Within the abstract class I have one abstract method, and then that one is a void display, which one is a non-abstract method. And next I declared that child class, which one is extends from the test, and this disp method, which one was the abstract method, that one I override within the child class. And at last I declared the main class. Within the main driver class, that driver class, name of the driver class is the main. Okay, within this main function, here I declare my object and instantiate the child class object. Clear? Child's test c1 equal to new child test. Now c1 dot disp, which method will call? This one will be called, which one is override. Clear? So output will be disp from the child class. And now I call the c1 dot display. So which display? This one is the base class display method will be called, which one is the non-abstract method. Clear? So abstract class is the class where you use the abstract keyword. Within the abstract class you can declare the abstract method and non-abstract method both, and then you always you have to create the derived class, otherwise you can't override this the abstract method, and then you can use the access your abstract class, abstract method and non-abstract method both using the child class object. Clear? Okay. And one more important point, that within the abstract class you can't declare any non-abstract method as a abstract method you can't declare as a final. You can't declare this method as a final. This one is not possible. Why? Because if already we know that any method if you declare as a final, you can't override the method. So if the abstract method you declared as a final, so you can't declare the you can't override this method. So how you can access this one? Okay, so within the abstract class you can declare any final method is possible, which one is a non-abstract method, but in the abstract method you don't declare as a final. This one will be a generating one error. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.